There's good old Jerry's Nugget. There's our hangout there. That's our location. Yeah. 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 We won't put that on the air if you have a whiskey shot before the flight, Pat. We'll just... Yeah. Oh, man. That'd be good stuff. Probably, yeah. Hey, as long as the bitches didn't get on the air, that's... Uh-oh. Kevin's got all the drunk people at Fremont. That's all, man, that's the best place to people watch, dude. That is just unreal. Yeah. I mean, the Strip is bad enough, but Fremont's a condensed version of that. The Strip has 300,000 people, and Fremont's got like 30. Maybe not that many, but... Oh, man. Oh. Yeah, that's... Yeah, it is. It's a fun place, though. When I worked in radio, we used to do an event there, and I came in there and met my boss right after work doing shots and drinks. So like, wow, this is a fun place, man. You alright? Yeah, it's just a little bit of wind. Yep. No problem, man. Happy New Year, Pat. Yes, sir. Here we go. 5. I think we're on a little delay. There we go. Yep. There we go. Oh, nice. Right on time. Oh, boy. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I love how we mix that music in. What's that? Oh, I love how they mix that music in there. It's funny. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, the Strat's the best so far. That is amazing. Wow. Oh, man, that was great. And they're not done, huh? God, that does look good, man. And that HD really helps. Woo! It really does, man. This joystick helps too. I used to drift on these cameras, and the joystick's just as good. They used to have this little contraption where you could control how fast you're going, but don't have to worry about it. It's fine. You're doing great, man. Oh, wow. Dang. Oh, yeah, I bet. Oh, yeah. Both Northtown and McCarran. Gosh, look at that. I've never seen them do this. Dude, that Grucci family is unreal, man. Just a little bit, yeah. Almost scary what they could do with it if they wanted, right? Wow. Not a bad little soundtrack they put in. They mixed up like the best of 2012 music, I guess. But it kind of fits with all the explosions. It's like right on the beat. Yep. Yeah. You know, what's funny is the smoke at the very end. It's just covering the whole city. It's almost like a 1930s Dust Bowl, you know? Yeah. Huh. Yep. Oh, yeah. I remember that. I do remember that. Wow.